Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using JAMOVI. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss how to plot histogram and density curve in JAMOVI. You can find more videos on JAMOVI, SPSS, RStudio, Mathematical Economics and MS Excel on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Here I have the hypothetical data of 30 students and their internal marks, external marks and library hours per day. Now suppose we want to draw the histogram for internal marks, external marks and library hours. So now you go to analysis. In analysis we have the option of exploration. In exploration select descriptives. So now select internal, external and library and move them to variables box. Now here we have the option of plots. In plots you can select histogram and density both and go to statistics and untick all other selected items. So now you have the histogram and density curve for internal marks. You can see it is positively skewed. Then we have external marks. You can see it is negatively skewed because we have the tail on the left side. And then we have library hours, which is almost normally distributed. And this can be checked through values of mean and median. So see here, we have the values of mean and median. In case of internal marks, the value of mean is higher than median, so therefore it is positively skewed. In external marks, the value of mean is lower than median, therefore it is negatively skewed. And in case of library hours, the values of mean and median are almost the same and therefore it is normally distributed or it has zero skewness. So that is the idea of histogram and density curve. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.